For someone to sign up for your SaaS product, it takes 13 pieces of content before someone makes a purchasing decision for a SaaS product. That means if you are not producing content at scale, deals are being lost, and they're being lost to your competitor. And I get it, hiring a video team is gonna cost you 300 plus K a year. But what if AI tools can replace your entire team for less than $200 a month? In this video, I'm gonna show you the exact stack of 5 AI tools that together will transform you into a 100x marketing team. Let's get into it. If you're marketing a SaaS product right now, video is not optional. Buyers are gonna expect product demos, they're gonna wanna see features and actions, and all the ads you're gonna run, you're gonna need video. Plus, if you're launching a new feature, a 90-second video will get 10x more engagement than a blog post. But being able to produce video is time-consuming, slow, and expensive. Let's just quickly go over the current process. So look at the traditional way of making a product demo. First, you're gonna write and edit a script. Then from there, once the script is ready, you could go to the product team to get B-roll. But then you get all of that and you're gonna need to send it to an editor. And then when they come back with a cut, you're gonna need to do changes, and that might take you back to the product team, or it might take you back to the script. And by that time, there might be a change to the feature, which is gonna require you to start the whole process over again. And even if the process is smooth, it's gonna take weeks, then you finally have a video ready to publish. And this is why so many SaaS companies are using this tech stack that we're gonna talk about now to replace this entire process and streamline it. Now, whether you're creating product demo, feature announcements, customer testimonial ads, you could do all of this with the tools that I'm gonna describe now. And start to get excited, because imagine this, with this stack, you're gonna be able to create 20 to 30 videos per month, if not more, with a team of 1. Let's start with the foundation, actually creating the videos. This is where Creatify comes in. Creatify is built for creating marketing videos at scale. And this is especially powerful for SaaS because you could take product screenshots, feature descriptions, and customer quotes and turn all of that into a polished video in minutes. Let me give you a real use case. Let's say you have a new analytics dashboard feature and it's launching and you need to create a video for it. Normally, you would need to film a screen recording, write a script, find a voiceover artist, edit everything together, and then add captions and graphics. With Creatify, all you need to do is paste in a product URL or upload a few screenshots. Then the AI scriptwriter will generate a demo script based on proven frameworks. Proven frameworks that convert interest into action. Then you could choose an AI avatar to present it, or you could create a custom avatar that matches the brand. Now, you want to make this incredibly powerful for SaaS marketers. There are 2 features that change everything: the AI avatar library and batch mode. First, when it comes to the AI avatar library, Creatify has over 1,500 AI avatars to choose from. These are not cartoons, these are photorealistic avatars that you could choose from. Diverse, professional, and designed specifically for marketing videos, which this is all gonna help you target your ideal persona. So let's say you're selling to enterprise CTOs, you could pick a professional, authoritative avatar. Or if you're targeting younger startup founders, you could choose someone who is more casual and relatable. And here's what makes this critical for ads. You could create a custom avatar that becomes the consistent face of your brand. You could upload a photo, you could add in your founder, and Creatify will turn all of that into an AI avatar that delivers on any script you write. That means every product demo and every feature announcement is gonna have the same spokesperson. And this is incredibly powerful when you are building a brand. And I also mentioned batch mode. This is a feature that lets SaaS companies test ads at scale. So instead of creating one demo video and hoping it works, you could create 10, 20, or even 50 variations all at once. Here's a quick rundown of how it works. You have one product feature to promote. With batch mode, you can generate 10 different hooks testing different pain points. You could also test 5 different avatars to see which resonates with your audience. And maybe you feel really dialed on those, but you want to test out different CTAs, well, you could do that as well. Or you're not sure how long the video should be, whether it's 15, 30, 60, or 90 seconds long. You could test all of these, run your ads, and see which combinations perform the best, and then double down on the winners. This is huge if you're A/B testing ads or creating personalized demos for different customer segments. So how does this fit into your SaaS marketing workflow? Well, Creatify is the production engine. Every product demo, every feature announcement, and every testimonial style ad starts with Creatify. If you haven't signed up yet, click that first link down below in the description to get started with Creatify today. Tool number 2 is Jasper. Creating videos is the first thing, but you're also going to need a way to write a lot of content because videos don't exist in a vacuum. So you'll need to create email campaigns to promote the videos, landing pages to convert the traffic they drive, and you're going to need ad copy to support the video that you created. And long format content that educates your audience is going to be essential as well. This is where Jasper comes in. Jasper is an AI copywriting platform built specifically for marketers. It's trained on a high-performing marketing copy, so it knows how to write emails, landing page copy, blog posts, and ad copy that converts. So here's how to use it in your tech stack. Once you have a video produced by Creatify, you're going to want to write out emails for a campaign to send out for this product launch. All you'll need to do is tell Jasper, write a 5-email sequence for trial users, highlighting our new analytics feature, and it will generate all the subject lines, email copy, and CTAs. And it will do all of this in your brand voice. Next up, you might need some help writing some landing page copy. Jasper can help you write headlines, subheadlines, feature bullet points, social proof sections, and conversion copy. Jasper could help you write everything from your H1s all the way down to your body text, whether it's feature highlights or how you tie everything together on your landing page. And third, you could use Jasper to write ad copy that supports the videos you just created. So for instance, if you're running ads on LinkedIn or Meta or any other platform, the video is the first part. You're also going to need ad copy to go with it. And Jasper can help you write the headline, text descriptions, and CTAs as well. And fourth, this is where it gets really powerful. Use Jasper to maintain brand voice across every piece of content you put out. You could train it on existing marketing copy and it will write it in your voice and keep the consistency across everything you produce. So Creatify will create the videos and then Jasper will give you all the content you're going to need around it to be able to launch, all while doing this in your brand voice and tone. Next, number 3, let's talk about a problem that every SaaS marketer faces. You have hours of valuable video content that is sitting on hard drives doing nothing. For instance, you just recorded a 45-minute product webinar, maybe a customer demo, or it was a live stream, maybe even a podcast episode, all covering your latest product release. Now, in the middle of that, there are pieces of gold that you want to pull out. How are you going to do that? Now, to cut that into smaller clips or bite-sized moments for social is going to take a lot of work from an editing team to even know what to pull, to even know what to do with the video and how to present it. Normally, this would be sent to a video editor and take so much time of back and forth to create clips, to find which clips to cut, and then finally export them to upload them to social platforms. But with Descript, it could literally be done in just a few minutes. So here's how it works. You'll upload a 45-minute product demo and Descript will automatically transcribe the entire thing and then give you a text-based timeline so you could easily make adjustments or edits to any part of the video. It's as if you're video editing, but with a text editor like a Word doc. All right, let's say there's a 60-second clip that you want to extract. Just highlight the text and then there's a button that says create clip and Descript will instantly export it into a standalone video. Now, let's say you don't know which clips to export. Well, the AI can generate 10 to 20 different clips for you just with one click. And on the final export, if you want to export it as a 16:9 or 9:16 or anything in between, you could do that. So now, in less than 30 minutes, you could take one 45-minute demo and turn it into 10 short clips ready for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or any tool you could think of. Now, one more thing I love about Descript is that it is a great YouTube sidekick. So anytime you need to upload a video to YouTube, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need captions, which is an SRT file with timestamps. You're also going to need a description, and you're also going to need chapter markers. With Descript, all you do is upload the video and it will automatically generate all of that for you. Now, tool number 4, let's shift gears just a bit. The tools we've covered so far are for creating marketing videos like ads, demos, or feature announcements. But there's another type of video that's critical for SaaS, and that's personalized video messages. This is where Loom comes in. Loom lets you record quick screen recordings with your face in the corner that allows you to easily send a link right after you finish the recording to any of your customers. And this is going to be perfect for personalized sales demos, onboarding walkthroughs for new customers, or handling support for current customers. If you have a feature update and you want to make an announcement as well, you could do that with Loom. There are a lot of use cases when it comes to Loom, but one of my favorite parts is once the video is done and you hit finish, it'll automatically automatically generate a link for you, and you could share that link via email, text, or any means that you want to send it to a customer, and they could watch the video immediately. Plus, you get a notification when they do. So here's a real use case. Let's say a sales team is closing a deal. Instead of scheduling a 30-minute kickoff call, you could record a 5-minute Loom walkthrough with the customer so they could see the platform and they don't have to wait until your schedule opens up. The customer watches it on their own time. They could leave timestamp comments with questions, and the team could respond asynchronously to their questions. For product marketers, Loom is invaluable for creating quick feature update videos, or if you just want to create some type of video walking someone through a new workflow. And a cool feature they have is variable, where you could add in someone's name to the video depending on who you're sending it to. So let's say you are shipping a new feature and you're going to record a 90-second Loom showing how it works. And then once you record it, you're going to send it to your entire customer email list. Check this out. Loom's AI will automatically generate the title, the summary, and chapters for the video. So whether it's short form or long form, you'll get all of that. And then you could create an audio variable which will allow you to replace someone's name depending on who gets the video. Let's talk about how this works in the entire stack. Creatify and Descript are going to be for high production marketing videos. Loom is going to be for fast, personalized, async communication. Both are going to be essential for scaling video in your company. Now, tool number 5, last but not least, is going to be ChatGPT's custom GPTs. And you could use this very strategically for a SaaS marketer. They can be built and trained on company product documentation, customer personas, and marketing frameworks. This lets ChatGPT function as a strategic assistant for planning video campaigns, planning email campaigns, or planning product launches. Here's how it works in practice. So you could ask it something like this: create a 3-month video content calendar for launching our new API feature. And it will generate a plan with specific video topics, targeted personas, and distribution channels. Now, how does this work into the entire stack? ChatGPT is going to be your planning layer. Think of it as your strategic partner. It's going to help you figure out what videos need to get created before you start creating them. Then tools like Jasper, Creatify, Descript, and Loom are going to help you produce all the content that you're going to need to execute on the plan. So let me give you one example of a full workflow so you could see it from start to finish. So you're going to open up your custom GPT in ChatGPT, which will help you plan out your actual launch roadmap specifically for your customer personas. Then from there, you'll open up Jasper and Creatify to start producing videos at scale and email campaigns, landing page copy, and all that good stuff. In less than an hour, you'll probably produce 10 to 20 different variations to start testing and creating with your email copy and your landing page copy all in one go. Then, as you plan webinars or product launch videos, you could use Descript to polish up videos or prepare them for launch on platforms like YouTube or other social platforms. As you are going to personalize some content or create your own, you could use Loom to record your screen for demos, customer onboarding, or feature updates. In 2026 and beyond, this is how SaaS companies are going to produce 20, 30, 40, or even 50 videos per month with a team of 1 or maybe 2. What used to take a team of 15 can now be done with a few tools. No camera crew, no editors, no week-long production cycles. All of this is scalable with you and your current team. If you haven't yet, click that first link down below to get started with Creatify. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch the video on the screen to learn more about how you could leverage Creatify to grow your brand.